Alright, so before we had talked about raising a power to a power, and in this video we're going to talk about raising a product to a power. So to raise a product to a power, we raise each factor to the power and multiply. So if I have a times b to the nth power, that really means I have a to the n times b to the n. So, for example, you have 3x raised to the 4th power. That really means you have 3 to the 4th times x to the 4th. If I have 4b raised to the 3/2 power, that really means I have 4 to the 3/2 times b to the 3/2. So let's look at an example. Simplify an expression with products. So what is a simplified form of n to the 1/2 raised to the 10th times 4mn to the 2/3 times 3? This looks like a really long problem. Take it one step at a time. So first thing we're going to do is raise each factor of 4mn to the negative 2/3 to the 3rd power. So we're going to take each of those and raise it to the 3rd power. So I have 4 to the 3rd, m to the 3rd, and then n to the negative 2/3 raised to the 3rd. Now multiply the exponents of power raised to power. So now you're going to simplify it more. So you have n to the 1/2 raised to the 10th, so you're going to have n to the 5th. Keep your 4 to the 3rd, keep your m to the 3rd, and now you're going to take your n to the negative 2/3 and raise it to the 3rd, which leaves you with n to the negative 2. So this is your commutative property of multiplication. I just moved my n to the 5th near my n to the negative 2. You're going to add exponents of powers with the same base, so that means your 5 and your negative 2 are going to be added. And we're just going to simplify. So we took 4 to the 3rd, which is 64, and n to the 5 plus negative 2 is n to the 3rd. So something else you can use, and this is in the science world, is you can use this idea when solving scientific notation as well. So you can use the property of raising a product to a power to solve problems involving scientific notation. For example, to simplify the expression 3 times 10 to the 8th raised to the 2nd power, you raise both your 3 and your 10 to the 8th to the 2nd power. So all that means is you're going to multiply both you're going to have 3 squared times 10 to the 8 times 2. So you have 3 squared times 10 to the 16th, which is 9 times a lot of zeros, and then you just multiply it, and that is your answer.